What's up, you guys? Today we're talking about giving up on the stock market, whether that's trading, investing, options, whatever it is. I know that if you are a trader or an investor, we've all had hiccups in our life when it comes to mastering this skill, because that's what it is. And there have been many times in my life and in my trading career that I've just wanted to give up on trading or on investing in general. There have been so many missed opportunities that I have had. There's been so many, if I would have done this, or I should have done this, or if I would have gotten NEO at $4, or like, we all have these trades and it can become stressful. This is a very stressful way to make money, especially if you're a trader, because you have to pinpoint and execute on these precise exact moments with all of the cards stacked against you. Because as a retail trader, we don't have near the amount of money to move the market like whales. We don't have any of the resources that whales and big hedge funds and banks have. So it's very tough for us to do this. And that's why 90% of traders fail. And this is something that really got me hung up when I first started trading, because I was like, listen, if 90% of people fail, the other 5%, break even or just waste their time over the rest of the couple of years. And then finally, the top 5% are the ones that actually make money. How am I going to do this? And the truth is that it doesn't happen overnight. I've been doing this full time for 6 years. I still have hiccups. I still have major losing streaks. I still make mistakes. It's all a part of the game. The problem is that we all want everything right now, and you don't get the things that you want in life overnight. And if you do, then you probably end up losing them pretty fast. Somebody who has had great success in the market and huge defeats and failure in the market, I'm telling you to stick with it. It's just like anything, right? I've always been one of those people in life who just moves on to the next great thing. I've had social media businesses before. I've done drop shipping before, Herbalife, like literally any crappy scam that you could ever think of to make money, or what I thought was going to be this new hot opportunity. I have tried it and I've failed at it. And I will be honest that I probably, if I stuck with all of those, would have actually made money. There are people who make money drop shipping. There are people who make money with social media marketing. The problem is that most people, including myself, up until the past couple of years, have never actually stayed with something long enough to reap the benefits from it. Let's take YouTube specifically. I've been doing this for 1 year now, and I have almost 3,000 subscribers. To most people, they would be like, dude, you're working 60, 70 hours a week on your private mentor group. I'll put the link down below, and making these YouTube videos on 2 channels. I'll put the second channel down below too. And you only have 3,000 subscribers. You've only made $590 this entire year off of YouTube ads. Yeah, but it's because I realized that if I stick with this for a very long time, like within the next 5 to 6, 7 years, probably, because I don't see YouTube going anywhere, I could be a figurehead within my industry, in my sector of finances and investing. But not only that, I'll actually be able to reap the benefits of all of my hard work, because just like in the stock market and when it comes to investing, the compounding effect works in all other aspects of life. You have to continue to do something, and with years and years and years of doing this, you will eventually get to the point that you want to be at. The problem is that we all start something, we think it's going to be easy, and then we just quit early. And it happens to all of us, including myself. The biggest advice that I can give you is just to keep with it. Give yourself 2 years, 3 years. Now, of course, if you're doing something wrong, if you're like blowing your kid's college fund and you're just putting all your money into like weekly options that are expiring worthless, then you're doing something wrong. I'm not saying that if you're losing in the stock market to just, keep doing what you're doing and you'll eventually figure it out. No, if you are losing money consistently, you have a problem, and you're going to have to go through and rewire your psychology and look at your trades, look at your trading journal, which you should be keeping, and you're going to have to figure out what you're doing wrong and how you can fix that. But luckily, I have tons of videos on this channel that can help you with it. What I'm telling you right now is that you need to fix your approach of investing or trading and just continue with it. Keep going for at least the 2 or 3 year mark. And then after you've done that for a long time, you've tried to learn as much as you can, you have changed your strategy up, and you still think that it's something that's not for you, then go ahead and quit. Because to quickly break it down, and I've said it in plenty of my other videos, think about it this way. If 90% of people fail and only 5% of people will just, break even, and 5% of them will actually consistently be profitable traders, you have to realize that of that 100%, the 90% of people that failed are probably not taking this seriously. They're probably not furthering their education. They're probably just following blindly on Wall Street Bets or these different Facebook groups. They're probably not using proper risk management. They are probably not using proper position sizing. And most of all, they are probably not learning from their mistakes and implementing everything that they've learned over a longer period of time in order to have a big enough sample size to see if this is something that they really want to do. So if you can do all those things, and I talk about all those on this YouTube channel, then you will become a successful trader. And if you actually do all those things and 2 to 3 years from now you realize it's not for you, then quit by all means. But don't give up on trading. Don't give up on the stock market yet until you have actually implemented those things and learned from your mistakes. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.